So dear students, so now we will learn how to draw a line segment. So already we have done in our online class. So now here you see how to draw a line segment with the help of a ruler. So to draw a line segment, first of all you need a ruler. So this small ruler will do, and if you have a big ruler that will also will do, but then in your ruler this your measurement should be very clear. The centimeter measurement 0, 1, 2, 3 that you can see here, this should be very clear. Okay, so now to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter in exercise 4.2 question number 1, it is given that to draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeter. So now we will draw a line segment measuring 6 centimeter. So to draw a line segment, what you have to do, first of all you have to give a dot in this 0 line here. You see here it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. In this way the markings are given. So first we will place a dot here in this 0. So in this way you will give a dot here. Yes, we have given a dot here, and then we have to draw 6 centimeter line segment. So to draw a 6 centimeter line segment, again we will give a dot here in this 6 centimeter. Clear? Again we will draw another dot here in this 6 centimeter. So after drawing another dot in this 6 centimeter, what we will do, we will join this line. So now we have given a dot here in this 0 centimeter, and then again we have given a dot in this 6 centimeter. Now we will join these two dots. Look, in this way you will join these two dots. After joining these two dots, you see we got a line segment. Now you can give your own name. You can give AB, you can give CD, whatever name you want you can give. So I have given name AB. So now we will write here AB, line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and here also you can write this is 6 centimeter, and this way you can give a arrow mark here in this way. So this is how we will draw a line segment measuring 6 centimeter. In this way there is another question in your book, draw a line segment that measures 9 centimeter. So that one also we will draw now how to measure a line segment of 9 centimeter. Okay, so now look at the next question, that is number B. It is given that draw a line segment that measures 9 centimeter. Now we have to draw another line segment which measures 9 centimeter. So let us draw another line segment of 9 centimeter. Similarly, to draw a line segment of 9 centimeter, what we will do, first you place the ruler properly in your copy, and then we have to give a dot, where you have to give a dot here in this 0 point, and then again you have to give a dot where in this 9 centimeter. You see where is 9 centimeter? So in my ruler here the 9 centimeter is here, so I will place a dot here in this 9 centimeter. So after placing the two dots in 0 and 9, now I will join the line. Okay, so let us join the line till 9 centimeter. So I have joined the line. So after joining the line, this is the line segment of 9 centimeter. So now you can give your own name. Say here I am giving the name CD. So CD is the line segment which measures 9 centimeter. So in this way you can give the dotted lines which means it is of 9 centimeter. So here you will write CD, line segment CD is equal to 9 centimeter. Clear? So this is how we will draw a line segment. So one thing you should remember, that while drawing a line segment you place two dots properly. Otherwise some may have do in this way, that you are asked to draw a line segment of 9 centimeter without giving dot, you are doing in this way. In this way you have drawn a line segment of 9 centimeter and now you are doing in this way, like this you are doing, which is completely wrong. Don't do in this way. So to draw any line segment, first we will give the two dots. If you are asked to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter, you will place two dots in 0 and then in 5. After giving the two dots, then only you will join. Okay, don't do in this way. Simply we have drawn the line segment. After drawing the line segment like this, you are joining. So this is completely wrong. This process is completely wrong. You can't do in this way. Okay, so dear students, now we will do question number C. So in question number C, it is given there, look, that draw a horizontal line segment of 4 centimeter and a vertical line segment of 4 centimeter so that they intersect. So in this way we have to draw a horizontal line segment. Horizontal line segment means like this. We have to draw a horizontal line segment, and then again we have to draw a vertical line segment. Vertical line segment means like this. So we will draw a horizontal line segment like this, and then a vertical line segment of like this, and the measurement is given 4 centimeter each. That means horizontal line segment also will draw 4 centimeter and vertical line segment also will draw 4 centimeter, and these two line segments should intersect. Okay, so let's start now. So for to draw any line segment, what you have to do, you have to use your ruler. So this is my ruler. So to draw the line segment of 4 centimeter horizontally, let us draw a line segment of 4 centimeter horizontally. So here I am drawing a line segment of 4 centimeter horizontally. So as I have already told you, to draw a line segment, you have to place two dots. This is one dot and this is another dot. So I have placed two dots, one is in 0, another in at S, another at 4. Now I will join these two dots. So here I have joined, and this is the first horizontal line segment. So let us name this as AB. Then another line segment, I have to draw a vertical line segment. So I am drawing another vertical line segment which intersecting AB. So here we will draw another, we will give a point, and here in this 4 centimeter, you look, this is 4 centimeter. Again in this 4 centimeter I am giving another dot. Now I will join these two dots. So after joining these two dots, I got another line segment of 4 centimeter. Let us give this name as CD. So and here it is the point of intersection, and we are giving this point of intersection as O. So now this is also 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter, and they are intersecting at O. So we have given the name of this line segment, horizontal line segment AB, and the horizontal line segment and the vertical line segment CD, both are 4 centimeter each. So this is how we have to draw the horizontal line segment and vertical line segment of 4 centimeter each, which is of question number C of 4.2. Clear? Okay. Now look at question number 2. What it is given in your book in question number 2, measure each of the line segments. So we have to measure each of the line segment. So to measure this line segment, what we will do, you will take your ruler, this one. So after taking this ruler, you place the ruler properly here in this C also, and here in this way you will place the ruler. So after placing the ruler properly here with my ruler, you see what I got. The measurement of this line segment CD is, you see, 3.8. Look, this is 3, this is 3.5. This one is 3 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter. So 3.5678. So when I have placed my ruler in this CD, in this line segment, I got 3.8 centimeter. So here it is, CD is equal to 3.8 centimeter. In this way, when I will measure this one AB, look, so to measure this AB, you see I have placed my ruler in this way. So after placing my ruler in this way, here also I got, this one is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, here you see it is 5.8 centimeter. So now I will write here as 5.8 centimeter. So AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Similarly, here also you see you have to measure this line AB. So to measure this line AB, you will place your ruler in this way. So when you place your ruler in this way, you will get something. You see it is not exactly 3 centimeter. When you place this one properly, it is not exactly 3 centimeter. This is also something 2.9 centimeter. Okay, this is exactly 2.9, not exactly 3, 2.9. So here AB is equal to 2.9 centimeter. And then again you measure this MN. So when you will measure this MN also is not exactly 3 centimeter. If you measure here in my ruler, it shows 2.9 centimeter. Okay, both are same only. This is also 2.9. So in your ruler it may vary a little bit. When you will measure with your ruler, অকমান কিবা vary কৰিব পাৰে. Okay, it may vary 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, it may vary. So that doesn't matter. In your ruler you may find it as 3 centimeter, okay, or 3.1. So in your ruler, whatever measurement you will get, you will place that measurement only. So here you see I got 2. So MN also 2.9 centimeter. Clear? So this is how we will measure the line segment. I hope it is clear. So that's all in today's video class. We'll start with solids in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.